what is going on? Hello people of YouTube, and here today is Oni. Welcome to another video. As you can see today I'm in a new car. So it's a nice car. Let me talk away. It's all inside, so I'm going to show you the interior. Right. Now, so I'm just gonna teleport into the car because I can. As you can see it's a Kia. Top the brand there was OD2 on the internet in Ireland when we were getting it inside. It is just so nice. Okay, somewhere that I can put on my camera. I don't know, that's what it's meant to be for. So yeah. We're back yeah, that door. And of course the registration plate. It's a 07. So it's a Kia. It's a really nice car. So we're going for a walk today. That's what we are doing. So let's get into this walk. He thinks I can't catch him. Caught. Oh fuck! I should have just gone back. Dirt. You already know what it is. It's a swap. No, that was going 80. MLG. Okay, so that is our new car. I'm not going to be going on the walk in this video. Next video I am. And that will be today. So check in with that. I'm going to put a part 2. So subscribe, like and comment, and goodbye.